Hello everyone. Welcome to the unboxing video of the Simon Says Stamp 2020, I guess March, aka Easter limited edition card kit. So this one is not part of the monthly kit subscription. This is a separate purchase, like a standalone purchase, just FYI. And they sent it to me early because I create, you know, samples and whatnot, and I design for Simon. So let's check out everything that is in the kit. So you get the Peking Bunny Wafer Die, and Simon's little wafer dies. So it just cuts, like, kind of ignore the square. It cuts like the little window basically. So you can place it, you know, wherever you want. You can have, like, you know, 3 of them will fit nicely on a card. It's just a cute little bunny. I think it's just adorable. So the Peking Bunny. There is the grass stencil, the Grassy Edges stencil. And this one gives you a whole bunch of options. So you've got a straight edge. And then I think this is almost like the mask version. Like, it's the same as this, but the mask version, so you can actually mask off areas. And then you've got like curved grassy edges or an inverted one, etc. Like, you have quite a few different options. So you get that. There is also, we've got embellishments. Oh, there's this cute little wafer die. This is the basket wafer die. So you get the little basket and there's a little egg. So you want to snip that out of there, and then you can, like, fill it with little eggs. You could have the basket. You could also have this, like the little bunny. You could die cut a little window and kind of have that so it looks like he's kind of peeking through too. That would really look cute. Or you could actually just die cut it and just trim and then have him, you know, peeking out. I think that'd be cute. So there's that. So you get 2 different sets of wafer dies. We've got all kinds of embellishments. Okay, so stamp set. 6x8 stamp set. This is the Cottontail Wishes stamp set. So you got cute little bunnies. And you got a whole bunch of different eggs, little tulips, sentiments. Have a hippity hoppity Easter. It's my favorite Cottontail. Hopping by to wish you a happy Easter. Cute little, like, border stamp. You're a good egg. I like that as well. So this is really, really cute. So I got that one. Now, the pattern paper that comes in the kit is from the Cottontail paper pack by Authentique. So very much Authentique style. I like these different colors of carrots. I like these patterns. They're cute. Really cute. So yeah. Really pretty papers. You get papers. There are tags. Kind of hiding in here. We got envelopes in pretty Easter colors. This one's like a shimmery pink envelope. There are these fun, like, chipboard egg tags that you can decorate. These are really cute. They're a good size. So you get those. There is a Simon Says Stamp Hybrid Lucky Ink. This will work with that grass stencil, as will the blending brush that it comes with. So you get a little blending brush to use with the stencil. So if you've never used a blending brush before, you'll get one to kind of try out with one of their inks. There's also Distress Embossing Glaze. This is Cracked Pistachio. This is newer. Tim Holtz and the Distress line, they did a bunch of colors of embossing glaze. So yeah, I'm gonna have to watch his video exactly to see all the tips and tricks he's shared with using the Distress Embossing Glazes, because yeah, they're neat. I think they're kind of transparent, but then they're, you know, distressed colors and all that fun stuff. So it'll be interesting to see. I gotta, like, relearn what he shared in that video so I can, like, play with this. So you get a container of a full container of that. You get deco foil. You get a 4-pack, like a full pack of white flock transfer sheets, which are really fun because it's a nice way to add flocking without actually having to deal with flocking powder, which used to be the thing back in the day. But yeah, I've used these before in other videos. You can actually transfer them onto other things with like a really good adhesive, that sort of thing, like the Deco foil gel, that stuff. But also I've like just die cut them as is and then use them. I don't know how well it translates, the white on camera, but it's fuzzy. It's almost like, it kind of makes you think almost like velvet, but it's, you know, paper. So that's really fun. So you get a pack of that to play with. There's all sorts of embellishments. There's this confetti and like sequin mix. I'm not sure if there's a name for it. I have a list of what's like in here. Oh, this is Lilac and Lane Bunnies and Hearts sequins, and they're literally like, I didn't even notice at first, they are actual little bunnies. So I'll see if I can actually show what these look like. So yeah, they're little hearts, all different sorts of shapes. And then, yeah, it's really hard to show this on camera because it's so reflective. But yeah, they're little reflective, like iridescent little bunnies. That's so cute. So yeah, you can make shakers, you know, with all these little guys. So we got that. There is this pack of, yes, there's tags. There is this pack of, these are Farm Meadow Premium Collection metal charms. These are pretty. These will go really nicely with that Authentique paper. You know, you could use these and add them. Like they're really nice. Very sort of, again, more vintagey looking. And then there's another tag that was hiding in there. We have a pack of Farm Meadow adhesive pearls. These also go really nicely with this pattern paper. It's like they're all just meant to go together. So you get a pack of those. You get a pack of Pom Poms, so that you can you can add them to these little stamped bunnies if you wanted. That would look really cute. So yeah, so adhere those on with a really good strong glue. I would probably use like multimedia matte. Get a good little dollop of that and stick it on. So that's really cute. So get that. And then cardstock, of course. So Simon's cardstock in lemon chiffon and surf blue, cotton candy, and I'm pretty sure that's ivory. Cotton candy, a cream. So yeah, really fun kit. All kinds of fun Easter goodies. Like I said, this is not part of the kit subscription. This is a standalone thing. Generally with the limited edition kits, they move very... my camera's like, wow. They go quick. So I wanted to quickly, this literally just arrived, so I'm like trying to get this filmed before I make some cards with it and whatnot. There have literally been times where the kit arrives and I haven't even had time to make samples and it's like sold out. So we'll see. But yeah, I will have links as always. I'll link to the kit, but I'll link to everything that's available individually as well, because most things are, because I know some people want just the stamp set, or they, you know, something else caught their eye that they really wanted to check out. So I linked to all that in the description box below the video, as well as on my blog. On my blog it's picture links. So I will have all that below for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching and subscribing and thumbs upping and commenting. I really appreciate it. And I will see you all very soon in the next video.